Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means the world to me. So today I am going to be showing you how I achieved this Thanksgiving soft, subtle glam. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a 1K giveaway for you all. So if you would like to know the rules and how to enter that, make sure that you just keep on watching and I will see you soon. Bye! Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows just to save some video time. Ow! For the eyes today, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes 28 color palette. So I'm just using the Fit Me concealer to prime my eyes. So I'm just going to go in with this color and set that as my transition shade and just slightly working that into the crease. I really like the formula of this palette. I feel like it's really buttery and super easy to blend out. For the next shade, I'm just going to go in with this slightly more mauve-y shade and work that into my V area because I want some more definition in that corner. Okay, so now that we have those two shades on my eyes, I'm just going to carve out my lid area. I just got done carving out this eye and now I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye. I'm gonna go in with this really light baby pink, it looks like. I'm just gonna pack it onto my lid area. I'm gonna go in with this like darker pink and just work that into my V area and blend where I had the concealer and just blend that harsh line together. This morning I was curling my hair and I like never curl my hair because ever since I cut my hair it's been so freaking hard to curl. Like if you have short hair you know what I'm talking about. And I freaking burnt myself like on my neck right here and now when you like touch it it freaking hurts. I don't know if you can see it. Now that we have like the concealer blended in with the outer V and it has like a lot more definition, I am just going to go back in with that baby pink shade and just reapply that because I feel like it lost its pigmentation a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm going to apply some eyeliner today. I had to go and steal my mom's eyeliner because I don't own any eyeliner because I never wear eyeliner. What I'm going to do is just a really thin line and a really thin cat winged out eyeliner. It's not going to be anything dramatic because I still want to keep this look very subtle and light. Okay, so this is the kind of eyeliner that I'm going to be doing. So it's really subtle and thin and nothing dramatic. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on the other eye and I will be right back. Okay, what part of thin do I not understand? Like, do you see this wing and then do you see this wing?
They're not even cousins. They're freaking friends. They're strangers.
Okay, so I just finished the eyes and now I'm going to go into my face makeup. It's gonna go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator and I used this in my last Get Ready With Me and I loved it, so I'm gonna use it again and I just put it all over my face in the areas that I really want to be highlighted, but honestly I just like put it all over my face. My breakouts on my upper lip have been so bad and right here because I've been freaking snacking on ice cream like every day. So I'm just going in with the Becca foundation. I don't really like full coverage foundations just because I feel like it's so heavy on my face and I hate it when I can feel makeup that's on my face because I feel like makeup should never be that heavy, but it's just a preference. I don't know, but for me I like to feel like I'm not wearing any makeup on my face just because my pores just get super bad and also I get super oily throughout the day. And then I'm also just going to go into the places where I have more blemishes and just cover those up with the Fit Me concealer as well. For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with my Tarte concealer and I'm just going to be using like a little bit because this goes a long way and this is super freaking bright. Tomorrow, I'm going to be celebrating Thanksgiving with my family. Tonight, we're going to go out and buy all of the food to start prepping. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Tarteist, I think that's how you say it, Pro Glow palette. And this I got in BoxyCharm. I'm having a hard time opening it, as you can tell. It has 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 contouring shades. And I'm going to be using this contouring shade for my cheeks. Maybe I should have put my earrings on like after the video because they're so annoying right now. I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. because I felt like that one was a little too subtle, and my eyes are subtle to me, so I want my face makeup to be a little heavier, or not heavier, I guess more dramatic. Do you guys see that glow? That is just from the under L'Oreal glowing thing that I used. I suck at explaining things, as you can tell. I'm just gonna cut down here. I usually only bake when I cut my contour, but I don't bake my under eye just because I feel like it gets super dry. But this is the Airspun powder in translucent. You all know that this is like one of my favorite powders. It's so easy to work with. It does have like a weird smell, but it eventually goes away, so I don't really care. And now I'm just gonna, ow, my freaking earring just like flipped back. I'm just gonna dust off that powder. You don't want to leave it on for too long because I find that the powder sticks to the hairs on your skin, on your face, and then it has like little dry clumps, and it's like really ugly and gross up close. So make sure you don't leave like your powder on your face for too long, and that goes for any aspect on your face. I'm gonna go in with any random like slightly orange shade and just put that under my eyeballs. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just gonna put this on my waterline. Bottom mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. A couple days ago, my mom just recently found out how to use Siri on her phone, and she's been like freaking asking Siri everything, like, hey Siri, how's the weather today? And like, it's so annoying because my phone is like picking up her voice, so I had to turn my Siri off because my mom keeps saying hey Siri, and my phone just keeps like going to the Siri page all the time. It's been so gloomy outside, like so freaking gloomy. Like it's just been complete gray skies all week, and like no sun, just rain and snow, and I've been trying to find a good day to film, but like this daylight savings is not helping me either, sis. Like I've been trying to find a good day to film for you so I don't have to use like my artificial lighting, but it's been so gloomy. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio Kit, whatever. And I'm gonna be using the shade Isla, I think it's called. It's the middle shade. I'm gonna pop this on my cheeks. I'm gonna pop some of that Seclusion shade, which is this one. I'm just gonna pop some of that on my nose just to give it some color. Then after that's done, I'm gonna go in and contour my nose because I just realized that I didn't. I'm gonna be going in with this lip crayon. I just got this in a set at TJ Maxx. I'm sorry, I don't know what it's called because like the brand is like scratched off, so it's just a nude lip crayon. This is the shade and what it looks like, and it comes in like 4 or 5 colors, and I'm just gonna use this on my lips. After that, I'm just gonna go in with some gloss. This is the Keep It Full Milani lipstick in the shade Tropical Shine. I used this in my last video. I only popped a little bit in the middle of my lips because I don't want it to be too powerful. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Artist Couture and Purple Dream. At first, when I got this in BoxyCharm, I was like, ew, I would never use a purple highlighter, but now I actually really like it. I think it complements with my eyes really well. And voila, you have your Thanksgiving makeup look. Super subtle and easy. I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers for subscribing to my channel and believing in me and just liking my content and interacting with me. So for that, I just wanted to give away some goodies to show my appreciation back. So I said that I would do a giveaway at 1K, and I am finally at 1.1K, which is freaking crazy. Like the amount of subscribers that I gained in like a week was seriously like crazy. Like I did not think that I could gain that much that fast. Freaking thumbnail fell off and I don't know where it went, so don't look at that. So I will just be explaining what I'm going to be giving away and all of the rules and how to enter and all of that goodness. So if you are interested in joining this giveaway, it is completely free. Make sure that you just keep on watching. And the first product I'm going to be giving away, the same exact palette that I used in this video. I just loved everything about this formula, the colors and just everything. It is the Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette. So it has 28 different colors. I think their colors are super fun and really good for a beginner palette. You're not limited to just your neutral colors. There's like a neon green down here, but you can't see it. So that is item number 1. Next product, you are going to be receiving a Tula brightening face mask. In here, you will get 2 sheets, so you get more than one. It's really important that you are taking care of your skin, so I wanted to throw in a face mask. For item number 3, you are going to be receiving coconut and tea tree makeup wipes. These come in a pack of 60, and look at the freaking packaging. It's so cute. Like, do you see this? It's so adorable. It has like a little rose gold like tint. Do you see that? It's so cute and just aesthetically pleasing. So I just wanted to give away some makeup wipes because you can never go wrong with makeup wipes. For the 4th item, you are going to be receiving a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I decided to give you all a mini one just in case if you don't like it, then you know, it's not like a complete waste, but if you do like it, then you can go out and get yourself a full one. For the 5th item, you are going to be receiving an Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick. This is in the shade Honey. This is what it looks like. I think it's like the perfect nude. I know my camera isn't in focus, but this is what it looks like, and it's like one of my favorite lipsticks ever, so I think you're really going to like that. I think it works for all skin tones as well, so I decided to put this bad boy in. Item number 6, I think I could be wrong. I kind of lost track, to be honest, but it's okay, whatever. I decided to throw in a pair of the popular Lily lashes in Miami. I know that everybody literally uses these, and like I never bought these myself. This is actually my first time buying a pair of Lily lashes, and it's for you because I just don't have that kind of money to be wearing like $30 lashes, but I do have that kind of money to be spending on my subscribers because period. I love you guys. For items number 7, 8, and 9, I'm going to be introducing them as a bunch because they are all from the same brand. You are going to be receiving 3 little mini products from Makeup Forever. This is the HD setting powder. This one is called the Excessive Lash Mascara. This is the Aqua XL Makeup Forever Eye Pencil. So you are going to be receiving these 3 as well. Now let's get into the steps on how to enter this giveaway. It is completely free and super easy. First things first, obviously you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you have to be subscribed to my sister's YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel will be down in the description box below for you to check out. Her name is at Pamela Xiong, Xiong. The next step to enter this giveaway, you just have to be following my Instagram. It is at Madison Jane with 2 A's. Last but not least, all you have to do is like this video and comment down below your Instagram name so I have a way to contact you. And that is all of the rules. This giveaway will be ending December 13th. At 12 a.m. So you have about a week and a half to enter. Good luck to everyone, and please don't feel discouraged if you do not win this giveaway. There will be more. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for actually watching me and supporting me and keeping up with me and interacting with me. You all are so sweet, and I just want to thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet part of the gang yet, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!